many columns do we have?
11 columns.
11 columns. So we are working on the executive overview first. Please take note. This is what we are doing first. This one.
Executive overview, okay.
Yeah. You see now, we are still going to have how many pages now? We are still going to have 4 pages. Can you see?
Yes.
We're going to have 4 pages. So that means, I don't know how you're going to schedule this stuff for them. You understand? So me, I'm going to do this one. Then it's like if they can meet twice next week.
I will put up the poll to know.
Yes, they can meet twice. It's not for everybody. It's those that are serious. The only just to fix the time.
Yes.
Even 9, that maybe everybody will have been home at that time. I put it at 9. Now it still be okay. Now you're 8. Now you're 8. You can put 8 to 10, or 9 to 11. So the time you feel that okay, people have come back from work, but some people are still working, some people are still doing their business. So let's consider those ones. And some people in that platform again, they are not from Nigeria also. So as you're putting the time, you can put US, UK, then Nigeria, Africa, so something like that. So they will be able to know when to join. So some of them are not in Nigeria, but they are using Nigerian number. I know most of them on that group have trained, like out of people in that group, let me say most out of that 200 and something. Let's say 200. I know 200. I know 200. I know 200 people there, and they have come in contact with them one on one. So some of them are not in Nigeria. So you can also try putting the time. They may want to join this section now, but because they did not know the time different on time, so cannot join. So also try that to help all of us. So let's move on to approaching this data set. If you have been following us if you are just following us our training, I always tell us that before you are giving it, if you are giving the data, their approach to it, you don't just start doing your charts, doing your pivot table like that. So you have to approach it according to the standard of data analysis or data analysis. So you have to approach it like that. You don't just start, oh, you're giving the data, yeah, let's analyze it, this and this. No, you don't do that when working on a project. You understand? So there are some key things you need to do before you start the project. So if I give you a project like this now, okay, let's communicate with ourselves. So what is the first thing you need to do? If you're giving a project, what are the things you need to follow? What are the process you need to follow when giving a project? Who can tell us? Can contribute to. Just free yourself. Talk. Even though you not get it, nobody's perfect. So we all are learning. So just try. If you're giving this work now, what process are you going to approach with this data set? I gave you the data set, I gave you the question. So what things, or if I don't even give you a question, what are the steps? What are the steps you need to follow to solve it? What is the first thing you need to do? If you know what is the first thing you need to do? If you go to interview now, they not give you data sets. They not give you question. What areas do you think you look into or look at as a data analyst? Nobody want to contribute. Nobody want to say anything. Even though one thing, I just try, say something. So if I give you data analysis now, maybe you go for it, they give you data analysis, they give you data sets. They give you data set to work on. You will not do anything with it.
You clean the data.
Okay, that is a good idea now.
Go through, you go through it. You first go understand your data. You have to understand the data first of all.
You have to understand the data.
Yes.
Okay.
Before you now clean it.
To say we have to clean the data, we have to understand the data. Those are our own points, our own view. So she's telling us that now, if you go for an interview and she's given the data set, one of the things she needs to do is to understand the you understand. That's what she's trying to tell us. That we should understand the data before we start anything with it. Understand what the data is all about, the purpose of the analysis, and so on. That's what she's telling us that we should do. So which other analysts also said that we should clean the data. That means we should check for inconsistency in the data set. Understand? So the data set can come in form of, like, some areas can be blank. The data types, like, we have three major data types: the dates, there is a numeric, strings, and date and time. So some the columns are not well identified, or they are not well structured. So she said we should make sure that the data set is structured before we proceed to analysis. Did I explain it right, ma?
Yeah.
So who other person?
Sammy.
Mr. Sammy, you're welcome. So who other person want to contribute?
Please, can you come again with the explanation?
Okay, I will come again. I want everybody to get it. So what I'm saying now is that take away that this question is given to you. Let's say this question is not given to you to do. What is given to you is that data set I sent to you. How will you approach it as a data analyst? That's my question. It's very, very important. You may not know the usefulness of what I'm telling you until you go for interview. So I'm waiting. We can just start and be doing our data set, doing our chat, but I want you to gain something. I want you to gain something. Before you leave, I want you to gain something. Should I repeat again? Okay.
Yes.
I said, let's say now you apply for a job in my company. You apply for a job as a data analyst, and you're not came for interview, and I give you a data set. What approach will you take on that data set? What will you do with that data set?
Okay, can I talk, Mr. Dan?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, you look at the data sets, the kind of data set it is, how many columns, how many rows, the information that the data set have. Then understanding the data set. Then you clean the data set. Clean the data set by checking for missing values, checking for duplicates. Okay, so after that, checking for data types, the columns that have wrong data types, then you fix up the right data types. For instance, if you have numeric data type that is as general or as alphabetic data type, you change it to the data type. So all of those things, cleaning, uppercase where is needed, and all of that. Then that way you can now start looking at the information you can extract. If it's a sales data set, you think about what product has been the bestseller for the company, month-on-month sales, year-on-year. If you have information that can help you extract such information, if it's across regions or countries, any information that can help you to extract any tangible information from there. So if you need calculations, you also have to do your calculations to get information or data that you will need to work on other sales, other projections that you want to do. I think that's like basically everything.
Okay. So I will give you a professional workflow, and you should not forget this. If that is the only thing you learn today, I'm okay with it. So I'll give you a professional workflow, how you should approach it. This what I just asked you is something that some people they don't know it today. You understand? They don't know they are doing data analysis. They don't know their ending. They don't know their starting. They don't know their ending, and which is very important in a program. You understand? If you are doing a program, you don't know your starting, you don't know your end. What is the essence of doing that program? You are just like swimming inside the program. You understand? So as a data analyst, there are steps you need to follow when giving you, I call it like workflow. You understand? So I'm going to list that workflow, then do a little bit explanation on it. So, and should not forget it. If I ask you next time, you should be able to answer me. And some of us.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. So some of us already know it. Like you have idea. So if I've trained you from beginning to the end and you don't have idea of what to do with data, you'll be asking me, give me a question, give me a question. So every time you ask for question, there are some things you can also do by yourself. So the first thing you need to understand is the business problem. So I'll just list it out. An assignment, you go and be writing short notes on each of them. Am I clear? You go and get detail. What I'm listening to you. What kind of thing should I will explain later, but what kind of thing should I expect on when talking about business problem? What is it all about when you say business problem? So number 2, you understand the data. The data I'm giving to you, you need to understand it. Then number 3, data collection. So you can collect data in different form in Excel, CSV, web, SQL server, depending on where you want to get the data from. So we have data cleaning. Good. Then we have data transformation. So even though you're working with Python, you're working with SQL, learn how to follow the process. What is required for you to do before you dive into it. So the next one, exploratory. This one is what people always want to do. Everybody wants to do the exploratory parts. Building dashboard, you understand, charts, all those areas. Talking about the charts part, using charts to represent your data. Then the next, we have the analysis. Or we have the visualization. So we have dashboard. I will ask a question now. So be ready for my question. Dashboard and reports. Dashboard and report. Everybody is good at dashboard. Not everybody is good at report. I know that one. Some people like dashboard. But when you ask them to make proper reports, they'll be finding it difficult. They will tell you, I will do it today, I will do it tomorrow. At the end, they will not do it. So, insights. Very, very important. Then recommendation. And also take note, we also offer training from beginner to advanced level. This is just projects. So we offer training from beginner to advanced. We want to be a complete full stack data analyst. That's no comma. So let me tell you how beginners think. Beginners. See the step I put down now. Which can you do? If I give you data, can you complete these steps? Everybody that is here, if you're giving the data, can you follow this process?
Understand? Yes, now understand data. You collect data, clean the data, transform. Up until reports. Yes, I can do reports.
Because it's not every time. What I'm saying is that it's not every time you'll be asking me for question. Sometimes I will just drop data set for you. I'll just drop data set for you to follow this guide and bring out information from that data. That's what makes you a critical thinker, someone that is good in thinking. So data analysis, they think beyond human, like beyond basic person. Like if I give you data now, somebody will not be looking at it like column and row, but you're looking at the details, the content in that data. You're looking at something different. So let me tell you how beginners think of, like beginners take data analysis as. So beginners will take data analysis as data set, cleaning, chart, and dashboard. If you have think like that, let me see your hand. You just say data set. That is how you summarize data analysis as data set, then cleaning, you clean. What again? Charts. That is how some people think. Then dashboard. You see, this some people think like this is all about data analysis. This is beginner. This is what is in beginner's head. That data analysis, get data, clean data, chart, dashboard. That does not make you a data analyst too. That doesn't make you a data analyst. Why professionals? I'll give you the professionals what they think of data. The business problem, the question, data, cleaning, analyze, find insight, explain why, then recommend action. That is how a professional think. So today class, become a professional data analyst. Don't become a beginner. Stop being beginner. So after today's class, after today's lecture, try to, if you have been thinking this way, try to switch. So how are you going to be thinking now? You'll be thinking business problem. You'll be thinking question, business problem. You'll be thinking of what? Question. So those that are not in class today, you can see that if they don't have proper foundation of data, you are already ahead of them. So if I give you a problem to solve, you will come and testify that, oh, okay, this is what Dan is saying. Oh, see the way this person is taking this data. See the way me I'm taking this data. At the end, you will thank me later. Oh, I was able to approach this very well. So find insights. Find insight, then explain why. Then recommend action. So if you are to employ, which person are you going to employ out of these two people?
The second person.
If you are not well grounded, you pick the first person.
But you need the second person, since the person is going to look at your problems and bring solutions.
That is what we call that is when that your job. That's what companies are looking for. They are not looking for those that can carry data, clean, do chart, dashboard, finish. No. They're not looking for those kind of people. If you are those kind of people, change it now. I give you data, I say, not be dashboard, not be to do dashboard. Dashboard. Send it to me. It's not, that is this level. You don't see the level your category now. A beginner, I never start anything. So that is beginner. Then you'll be thinking as professional. So this is for beginner level. So then professional. So this professional level. So I'm going to send it on the platform. So you can make your own note by yourself. I'm not sure my WhatsApp is opening, but if it's open, I'll send it. Let me check if it's open. So let me now ask question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's start with the
Yes.
first problem. So what are we going to look at under business problem? Before we touch the data set, what do you think we should do? When you talk about understanding the business problem, that is the business problem, what do you think? So you can keep notes. Admin, you can keep notes for me so that I'll make it fast. I'll just be explaining. So I'll be taking it one after the other. I will explain. Then you can make notes for them so that the class will be a little bit fast. So I'll just be explaining. So when we're talking about the business problem, I will highlight it and discussing on business problem now. I will explain everything then before we start the project. So when we talk about the business problem, before you start touching the data set or before you even do anything with the data set, you need to understand the kind of problem you are trying to solve. You need to understand who will use the analysis, who is going to use this analysis you're solving. You understand? Also, what decision should the analysis help them to make? This analysis you want to do now, you do it finish. What will it help me? How is it going to be useful to me? You understand? Then the next, what are the key business questions? What are the key business questions am I going to bring out of this analysis I'm doing? Then what KPIs matters? What kind of KPI am I going to use for this analysis I'm doing? Those are the things you need to understand first before you dive into the data part. Before you dive into the data part. So, talking about the understanding of data. Talking about understanding of data, you need to inspect the data. I asked something before we started. I said, how many rows, how many columns do you have? Somebody now responded to me. So you need to know the number of rows, the number of columns you have in your data sets, which is number one. You need to know the names of the columns. If you have 10 columns, you need to know the names of those 10 columns. Don't assume when they ask questions when you go and check the name. You need to know the names of those columns. You need to know. Okay, somebody wants to join 1 minute. So let me go back here. So you need to know the columns. You need to know the data types. You need to know the data types. You get? This is under understanding the data. Please take notes. What I'm explaining is under understanding the data. You need to understand the data types. You also need to know the unique values inside. Unique values, missing values, duplicate records, date range, meaning of each column. You have to know the meaning of each of those columns. For instance, ID. What is ID? Who can tell us? ID is unique number, unique order number, right? ID is unique order number. Then sales is like revenue. True or false? Sales is revenue. Something like that. So you have to know the meaning of each of those columns. You don't just jump into data and into analyzing data. You also need to look at the columns that are meaningful. Some columns, you can't do anything with it. You cannot analyze with it. You understand? So you have to look at the columns that are useful for the analysis. Then, the third part, I'm going to explain. So everything I've explained now can also cover the aspects of cleaning, missing value, correct missing value, duplicate, incorrect data, spelling inconsistency, incorrect dates, negative and incorrect value, inconsistency category, then formatting problem. Let me show you something. When we talk about formatting problem, or let me show you something. if you have Lagos, please look up. Then you have Lagos. Then you have Lagos. And you have Lagos. How many Lagos are you seeing here?
There are 4 of them here.
There are 4. So how
4
many?
of them.
How many are like the same?
None of them is the same.
This is
Okay, no,
Lagos.
no, there are two of them that
This is
are the
3
same.
Lagos.
You can see now. This is 3 Lagos.
This is 3 Lagos.
3 Lagos. And if I have this thing inside state column, you know,
Sorry,
there is
how
an
is it 3, please? Sorry.
This
Because
one is 1. This one is 1.
The first
Look at it.
Lagos and the second
the
Lagos
first and
and
the
the
last
last
one are the
Lagos.
same.
Yes. So this
No,
one is different.
that second one is not. The second one has a small letter L.
Yes, small letter is different from this one. It's different from this one.
Yes, it's
Then
only
this one
the
is
first and the last.
Yeah, they are the same. Thank you. You understand what I'm saying now? So let's say you encounter this thing now, working with state column. What are you going to do? You can tell me.
You would run. Is it what they call it again? The case, like you will have to rearrange it, like make it either uppercase or lowercase.
Okay, you say uppercase or lowercase. Who else? Who else? Is that approach going to work? You say we should make it uppercase or lowercase. Will the approach work?
Follow the same case.
You say what?
I said you can use proper function. Proper.
That is under format. Under format. You are still under format. So you can do that. You can do that. And there are sometimes again, what you have to do is to replace value. You understand? So the one you know that you want to keep, if you know that you want to keep this one that starts with, this is proper. This one is proper, this one. So since this one and this one are the same, you can keep these 2. Do you get? You can keep these 2. So you can replace these 2. You can replace this one to this. You can replace this one to this. It will help you to make them uniform. So there will be one value instead of having like 3 different names. So take note of that. Take notes. So cleaning aspect is another part. Then I also mentioned something about data collection. Data collection. I told us that you can collect data from different sources. Who can tell me the most used that you have used currently? Which one have you used so far? Most of us end up only Excel. We have not tried any other one. How many of us have collected data from SQL before and you analyze it? You connect your SQL with your Power BI. You analyze it. How many of us have done it before? You connected.
I've done it, sir.
Okay, you've connected SQL. Then who else have done data from web? You connected web data to Power BI. Whatever you're doing whatever they are doing on the web is taking effect in your own analysis. Who else have done that?
I've done it also, sir.
Okay, so which platform, which web did you connect? Which data did you connect for the web?
So I create options.
Can't hear you. Your line is breaking. Who can hear him? Or is it only me that?
I can't hear him.
Okay, you cannot hear him. Okay. So, sir, can you repeat again? Okay, like your network.
In the reports.
Well, let's continue. Maybe when we finish, it will be a little bit clearer. So, as me take note, it's very important. Maybe some of you can also try the platform you connected the data from, because not all the old company that you can access the data. True or false? True. Not all companies you can access their data. in Nigeria, except the company is in abroad. So not all companies in Nigeria that will allow you to connect to their database. So except the company is in abroad, outside the country, and so on. So let's go on. The data collection, like I said, you can get it in different parts. Then data transformation also comes in place. So transformation, you can look at the date column, you can transform into year, month, month name, week name, day of the week, and so on. So you can transform data also, you can clean data, you can collect data from different sources. Then when you talk about exploratory analysis, so you can also perform exploratory analysis with your data. That is, the short form is EDA. EDA, we call it exploratory data analysis. In that aspect, you like ask what is the total sales, like question. You're asking your data set question. What is the average? Which month had the highest sales? What product generates the most sales? So you're asking your data some of these questions. You understand? So you can perform exploratory data analysis with your data set also. Then you can also analyze the data. You can perform analysis. What kind of analysis can you perform? You can perform descriptive analysis. You can perform aggregation. You can perform trend analysis, segmentation, coloration, statistical method where necessary. So those are the things you can do under analyzing the data. When you talk about you want to perform the analysis. Like for instance, an example can be sales increased by 18% between January and June. You understand? But profit decreased by 5%. Those kind of questions. So another question can be, why are sales growing faster than profits? You understand? Those are some of the things you can ask under performing analysis with your data. So for visualization, you also have to study charts and their usage. You have to know charts and what they are used for. You know, you have line charts, we have bar charts, we have pie, donuts, scatter plots, map, we have KPI cards, then we have table. So you have to know the purpose of each of them. You can study each of those charts, know why they are, what they are used to, what they are used for, you know what to use them to do. You don't just drag charts. If I say drag bar chart, drag column chart, you need to know why you're using those kind of charts. You need to understand those charts. So those that are here now, those are the kind of things you should be making research on. So you can look at top 20 charts, look at their meaning, look at when you need to use them. Don't just use a column chart, bar chart. No, learn why you are using them. You understand? As much as column bar chart, they are very easy to explain, but know why you are using those charts. It's very, very important. Not everybody knows why they pick charts, why they are those charts is representing those data. Scatter charts, scatter plots. Why are most people not using scatter plots? But it's there because they don't know the use of it. Some of them don't know the use of it. You understand? Why are most people not using map? Some people don't know the use of map. They don't know how to use it, how to use it to bring information out. They don't know how to do that. So you can study the different types of charts, then make use of it very, very well. So that will make you separate from other analysts. Understand? Study each of those charts. You get what I'm saying? So then of course you can build your dashboard. So dashboard comparison of like combination of your charts, slicer, and so on. So in the dashboard you can have your different charts, you can have slicer, you can have title, you can have KPI in dashboard. You understand? So that is it. Then also you can look at your insights, do the insight aspect of it, then you can do recommendation. Do you know one of the beautiful part about those doing data analysis then than we that we have started 10 years ago? The difference now is that there is an AI that helps you guys, but then there's no AI like that. What you need to do if you're having challenges, you go to YouTube or you use your Google search and search for people that have done that same thing, people that have that same error, that have been able to solve it. You will do your own. if you have done your own, maybe you have little challenges or you're able to solve it again, you post it. When somebody else have the challenge, the person would share. That is how people were learning then. But now it's not like that. You can say the area of AI now is making other people not to be thinking well, deep. Because if you're too thinking, you say, they say, let me go and even put this thing on AI to generate everything I need. So your thinking that moment has reduced. You understand? You'll not be able to think again because there's nothing for you to think again because there's AI. AI will help you to bring out everything. But then you have to be solving a particular code. Like, I don't know if some of us have had somebody that says he's debunking a particular code. He's having issue. This code is not running. This SQL command is not running. It's not running. But now, if you run it 2 times, it's not working. Carry the code and keep to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will tell you that there's this in that code. Finish. You have solved your problem. But before, you have to be searching for the solution, asking people, oh, I did this code. Please, I don't know why it's not running. Sometimes you will see instructors in web development. They will write in a particular code. The code have not been, like, the code will not work. The students are there hanging. All of them are hanging. So the lecturer is, I've run this code before and it's working. But now, it's no longer there. Somebody is having issue with his code. He will just copy it and paste in your either DeepSeek, Gemini, ChatGPT, and so many of them. When you paste it, it will give you the solution. Making the work very easy. So I don't see no need why everybody that is learning now should not be able to learn something very fast. Because a lot of resources are there now for you to learn. Sir, please help us with your mic. So a lot of resources are there for you to use to learn. So thank you. Let's dive into our project now. So if you are just joining us, we want to start a project, recruitment analysis. So that is the project we want to start now. You have to understand this aspect before you can dive into that project. So the PDF has been sent to the WhatsApp group. Then the data set has also been sent to the WhatsApp group. So what we are doing is not a rushing or fast something. So we'll take it step by step, systematically. Not anywhere we stop, continue next week. So that is how we build ourselves. So let's go on.
Mr. David, this professional workflow, can you drop it on the group too?
Yeah, I'm trying to load my WhatsApp, so I don't know why it's not loading. I'll drop it since. Let me save it before this shut down. Let me save it first. So in case I forgot to send it, I'm going to send this later. And also, I will drop a CV format for those that have already through with this basic stuff. You're good with Power BI, Excel, Tableau, Python. So you can use that sample to do your CV. So I'll drop a CV sample. That will guide you. So you just edit it. Can use to do your CV. So let's move on. So I have to open a new file. If you have not used Power BI in this class, let me see your hand. If you have not used Power BI, in this class, let's see your hand. So everybody have used Power BI? Okay. So no while.
This Power BI, it's been a long. I always find it difficult to connect it to the internet to get most of these other options, advanced options.
What? Okay. To create an account.
Yeah.
Is it creating of an account?
Creating that's the yes.
Do you have a company account like Gmail?
No.
You need student email. you need company email, any of the two. So it does not work with Gmail. It doesn't work with Gmail. Yeah, so you'll not be able to use Gmail for it. So you'll
So
not be
can
able to
Sammy
use
raise
it.
his hand? Yes, not use Power BI.
Sammy say I'm not the Power BI.
He raised his hand. He was
Okay,
fine.
it will be the one that will teach the Power BI next class. So,
Sammy.
so it will be the one that will teach.
No. I went to drag Sammy out to this class. We don't do this thing.
Sammy will be the
Miss
next one to take.
Madam Chidera,
Sammy.
Mr. Dan,
How are you? How you doing, sir?
I'm good, sir.
Hope you're enjoying your class.
You are doing perfectly.
Thank you. So let's move on. So at least Sammy can make the class lively.
Which project is it? Is it the bank marketing or
No.
recruitment data?
No.
The
The,
recruiting.
the bank marketing, the admin say we should do it next class. If we just do this one for now, because of those that join us. So we'll complete that one. She will make sure that we complete it. We only did
We
one.
started the bank marketing already. We're already in part 2. So because of people that just joined us now, they did not join us for the part 1. That's the same that let us do a new project starting from part 1.
Okay.
So let's start with this one now. So we're going to use the approach of everything I've explained for this project. So first of all, let's connect it and understand the data. So firstly, you have to check if the data is CSV or Excel workbook. So let me ask the class, is it CSV or Excel workbook?
CSV.
CSV, everybody CSV. So based on the PDF, what is the complaint? What did the company require us to do? What is the business problem? Somebody should write. I send the PDF to us. So what is the business problem? Open your own as I'm explaining. So you follow me. You follow me along. So I can come here. I can select CSV there, but I can also come here and change this to all. I can change it to all. So if I change it to all, I'll be able to access whether CSV, whether PDF, and any other thing. If I don't want to use these parts, I can just come here. If I want only CSV, I'll just come get data, then CSV. You understand? But you can also click on the Excel workbook, then come down here and change what? Change it to all files. So you'll be able to see the one that is CSV, the one that is not CSV, and so on. So am I seeing the data set now? Okay, there's it. One minute, I'm coming. So let's go on. So this is our data set. So here we have load and transform. Don't forget, when you click on load, it means your data is clean, right? And also ready to use. Do you get what I said? Are we there?
Yes.
If you select clean, select load, it means that this data set is ready to use. You understand? It means that your data set is ready to use. So let's use transform. So can you see the data now? So we have age, we have gender, we have education level, we have experience here, previous companies, distance from company, interview score, then we have personality score, recruitment strategy. What again do we have? We have hiring decision. Hiring decision. Hiring decision. So also you have to observe each column. Look at what you have inside. So here, gender is text, then age is number, which is you have to confirm it's own number. Then gender is text, you have to confirm. Is there any blank row? Here we are seeing that there is something wrong with this one. Look at, you have something here, less than 1%. So let's see what is wrong with it. Let's see. So you can see this person, age is not included. Are we all together?
Mr. Dan.
Yes, sir.
Please, how do I bring out this valid error empty, whatever, blah 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 blah?
Okay. Let me go back first.
Because mine is not showing.
Like I said, anywhere I stop, continue from there. Because I have live class. I have class. So
Okay.
if the timing is not okay with us, you can also reach out to the admin privately. You communicate. Our number is there, so communicate with her privately. So you can decide to, because of people that are active. We are working with people that are active. In that platform, they're up to like 200 or something. So, but we're working with people that are active. Those that are active here, you're already going to be active always, and the time is not okay with you. You can communicate. Oh, I won't do the time like this. So she will look at it with other people that are messaging and give you guys a good time. Work with that. What we are trying to do is to build people that are serious. Finish. So, Mr. Sam, have you seen it now? Column quality.
Yes, I've seen it.
So
yes, thank you.
So what we are doing currently is cleaning process. You look at what you observe from the data, then you let me know. Oh, see, there's issue with this one. Oh, what should we do there? There's issue with this, so what should we do there? Those kind of things. So here I'm saying that there's somebody there that did not include age. Look at the person here. It's a female. There's no age. And we cannot give that female. We can't just give this female particular age. Do you understand?
Yes.
So we can, since it's number, if you convert this to number, if you convert it to text, there's going to be an issue. What we'll do is that we will use age group. Get age group to solve it.
But if you use age group, won't the female still be blank? You
No,
said the female doesn't have age.
when we use age group, it will fall inside the age group column will not show null now. The age group column will show from particular age to particular age, so it will not show those that are null. And I won't advise you that you should remove it. You understand? I won't advise you should remove it. So take notes.
Let's give the person age now.
Your age, are you coming?
We'll give the person an age. It's not by the age. You cannot do any harm to the data now.
And if you cannot be, it's just like somebody that don't have a name. You now give the person a name. Can't give the person a name, so you can leave it.
That's what I'm saying. The person.
We can,
Considering the type of the data. Consider the type of the data. Yeah. If we remove the old role itself, it doesn't even still do anything. But then we can still give the person age.
Okay, but that is not the right approach for it.
It's not the right approach, I know.
The right
it's a
approach.
fast approach. Shortcut approach.
So what's the question, sir? Sorry, sir, I missed out. Can I get the question?
Okay. What I'm saying is that we are working with the column one after the other. So now we are currently on the age group. So there's something that is missing. One is missing. And this person is this 29. It's not. The age is not specified. You understand? So I said instead of removing it, we should group the age. We should add another column age, then group it. You understand? So that's what I said. So and I asked for any other person contribution. You know, we all are working together. So I want to hear if somebody has an idea I can buy into. In as much I'm the one solving it, I can still buy into your idea and take it that okay, this is good, this is good. So Mr. Sami said that we should give the person age. We should give the person an age since it's nothing. I just said let's just give the person age so that it will not be black. It will not be black. Abisa, we just give it that.
Yeah. I said it with full chest.
That is its own aspect. So you now, what do you think?
Well, if we just want to give age, it might influence the output in the decision. What I will do in my own, I can take statistics of people that are in master's class. You understand? Use their average.
Okay.
For this person's age.
Okay. Do you get what you said?
Yes.
So who was that person? Mr. Asami, do you buy his idea? Do you get what he said?
Every idea I'm buying. But my own is the best.
So
No, I'm not saying how my approach will.
Hey, God. So
But Mr. Dan, because null is text rather, how would you now want to convert it into age group? Age, you can only have age group from like let's say 0 to this and maybe 20 to this and all that. Not null. Are you going to turn it to 0?
okay, you know what you said? Say whether I'm going to turn it to 0. Okay. His question she is asking me. So we're not going to turn it to 0. Just the approach his own approach. I also buy his own
Instead
approach.
of
Changing like using the
Someone wants to give you an
master.
approach. Michael wants to give you an approach.
Okay. What again?
No, I was going to say that that is the essence of having some statistical method, so that you can use any of them, the mean, median, mode, average, and all that. But instead of putting 0, I would suggest you make it unknown.
No, you cannot use unknown. It's test. You are using unknown. It's test.
Okay, that's text. Yes, it's true.
We
But I
are
think
working with
that's the other guy that spoke is right. The
we're
average,
working
the
with
statistical method is preferable instead of leaving
so
it blank.
let me first approach it with the one I want to tell you. Let me first approach it like that. So let's do that now. Um, add column, custom column, add a custom column. Please, I'll still remind us I'm not going to finish this class today. So please keep it in mind because I have a class I want to take soon. If age less than equals, let me use 29. 29.
What's the lowest age? We need to know the lowest age.
Then I'm coming. I'll show you the lowest age. I'm coming. Then let me group it like then Gen Z. 29 is Gen Z now, right?
I will ask Mrs. Chidera. She's Gen Z.
Else,
So what do you mean now? Because of my voice.
if age
Which one is voice? Are you not Gen Z?
less than 45, it's not Gen Z. Oh. See the boy won't be like you. But they call Gen Z.
Gen Z, I'm getting married now.
So else if then age less than equals 61, then 61 is what? Less than 61 is what?
Gen Alpha.
Gen X. Then else baby. So these are baby boomers. So, oh yeah, group yours. I don't know why my WhatsApp is not open, so you do your own part. If you're done, let me hit enter key.
Wait, are we adding new column? What did you do, sir? I don't even know.
I said go to add column at the top here, add column. Then click custom column.
Okay.
Are you done?
Continue.
Okay. Mr. Sammy say continue. Who else?
On behalf of the class.
I'm following up, sir.
Okay.
Tommy, speak for yourself. Sir, please hold on.
This is giving error.
Okay.
Mr. Dan, I don't know, maybe your WhatsApp is not, as your WhatsApp is not working, I would have said maybe the code should be dropped on you so that you can just
Okay.
follow
On
through.
the meeting, so where to get the
Yes,
message,
yes.
Abby? Because it will be better like that. I've sent it there already.
I hope Mr. Dan can identify my voice.
I'm trying. My boss, my guy, I did try. Mr. Kenny. Say Mr. Kenny that is saying like that. Mr. Kenny, I got it, Abby.
You didn't get
Yes,
it.
sir, you're right, sir.
My guy be this. So everybody see my boss. So I don't. I don't.
Oga, good evening, Oga.
He is my teacher. He's my
Our
teacher. Please,
Oga,
let's not create that distraction. He's my teacher.
our Oga, bless your children. Oh.
Ah, you're you're welcome. Welcome, sir. So I'll drop the.
Mr. Dan.
Thank you, sir. We are doing.
Welcome, sir.
So, Mr. Dan, the number 29 is giving error.
29. Okay. That is the role now. The role of that 29.
Yeah.
So let's see. So this is the age group. So we have the three groups in that category.
And none is valid.
That null part is valid. So it's excluding that. This one now is excluding that. What is it called? The null. The person that is null. So it's excluding that column. So firstly, let's also check. Let's filter first. Let's check the master holders. This master holders also have issue here. Sef. Look at there's an issue there also.
Have we fixed the generation group?
No, I'm coming. I want to check the masters holder. Let's see their age.
Okay, sir.
So please masters holder. We have somebody of 27 years here. 26. We have 26 years. We have 22. We have 21 doing masters also. I want to check. We have like 21 is lowest. 21 is the lowest. Is there 20? Is there 20? There's 20.
Yes.
Someone 20 years. Okay, 20 now. Lowest. Let me confirm something first.
20 is the lowest.
20 lowest. Okay. So first again, check the column of that master that is showing blank. Let's check it.
Is
Let's,
this thing.
this one I have issue again.
It's 41.
This one 41. This person can be master, it can be anything. So there's an issue here with this one also.
We'll give that 41 masters directly, automatically.
Because of his age.
Yes.
Okay, so let's fix that one. Let's fix this one first. Let's fix this one.
Sir Sam is 70 years old person, they do BSc.
Let me I don't want us to assume. Let's make it like reality. Let's see now. Let's see 40 years. Maybe it's 41. Let's see 41. Let's see what they are doing. So Mr. Sam, if you are saying master, it's wrong. Only that majority
data.
Only that majority are doing master. A bachelor. Some of them are doing bachelor. Almost all of them are doing bachelor. What am I saying? See now, bachelor, type A, this one bachelor. So it's few that are doing masters. So for this data set,
let's use our uncle's
for this
method now, statistically. I think that will be better. We know how many people.
Okay, so I won't want us to do much on this one. So what we'll do here, instead of it to take much of our time, we can
move
uncheck the parts. Then there's a lot of things I can do with this one, but I don't want to go too deep here first. So I can write M language for it. If I write M language for it, it will take you too deep. So you may not find your way back here. So this one too. Uncheck this one also. So I can write M language to get that one done. So there's another one that is saying unique number found.
Okay. Yeah, everything is correct now.
That is correct. Let's see that.
What is that you expect?
Let's see this one that I'll put here. Okay. So we have filtered that row out.
Now what did you do with the 29?
I uncheck it.
So that means did you add that particular generation group?
No, this thing is there now. See it here. See it's still here. I mean, where is that generation stuff I did?
So maybe you just bring the generation close to the age, so that we can.
This is it here now. See the generation part is there.
Yeah, God bless you for doing that.
So
I feel like same here.
this is it.
Okay. Now the age and generation column are together.
Yeah, that is it there. So which other one? Then also you have to check all the columns to confirm if free number or text. So check also. So there is one value here that is showing unique null. So let's replace that value to 0. Let's replace to 0. is null. So null means empty. So you can right click, replace, since it's not in there, so find find then replace with 0. Okay, let's format first. Format it whole number, then let me check that null first.
Is writing null?
I want to check the null first. Let's check it. Okay, you've seen it as test. Okay, let's uncheck, clear the filter, then 1 minute, let me check this first. Convert to text. I convert the number to text. Can you see what I did?
No.
Then find null, then replace with 0. Find null, replace with 0. Null. Find null, replace with 0. So I've replaced the null with 0. So I'll convert it back to a number. We're done. So I've get rid of that null value. Then this one should be decimal number, so it's correct. Decimal number. Then here also, we also have issue here. We have issue here. Have you done the one I just did now? Have you done that one?
Yeah.
Okay, interview score, same thing. So let's convert it to text. So replace null with 0. So convert it back to whole number. Also this one is 2.
Same as skill score, right?
Yeah, this one is 2. Convert, then replace value. No. 0. So personality score.
Same thing.
Yeah. Okay. Change as test. Then you right click, replace. No. Then 0. Then convert back to, I'm not convert this one back, please watch what I'm doing now. Convert this one, then convert this one back to whole number. Then this recruitment strategy.
What should we do to it, sir?
So let's see what we have under that recruitment strategy. Not specified or unknown. Let's use unknown for it.
But that would just be only one, sir.
Yes, unknown. We don't know the person's. Use unknown. So that's all. That's all.
That's all.
Hmm.
This generational group. What's going on?
So, please, what did you change in the strategy?
Okay. What do you say?
Like, what value did you replace? What value did you find in replace for this?
Which column?
Recruitment strategy.
Recruitment strategy. Unknown.
You found or not to replace with what? Have you?
I find not or not.
Okay, well,
So what are we doing to this age?
Which age?
Well, the age is back to the normal distance.
Mine is not back. Oh, see my own here. Everything is correct.
What did you do to it again?
We on check now. We on check that. No.
Because you came back, that's why.
Hello. Hello. I joined back now. I was not in that meet before. And there's something I want you to do for me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I want you to track somebody for me. Daddy said I should track that boy that is staying with him. So I don't want to call him with my number. So can you hear me? I will send you the number you will call. Use your other number to call. Ask him where is he that like you want to sew clothes. That I want to give him clothes. Where is he? Something like that. He say tailor, you sew clothes. Or you tell him that is there any apartment to rent there? Where is he currently? Something like that. Just the guy is sews clothes. So I want to know where he is currently. Daddy say he told him I will send you the message that he's in trouble in Aboru. He's in trouble in Aboru. That the other one that is staying with him should come over. So Daddy now send me a message that I should track where he is now. So me, I cannot use my number to be asking. So you don't go know something at me. So I will send you his number now. Yeah? Eh? It's me close now.
Mr. Dan,
Find information. I'm coming. 1 minute. 1 minute. Eh? What do you say? Just find how you will take Christian first. You understand what I want to know where he is currently. Well, hold on. Let me send you the number. I will have said you should use that your number so that when he call next time, you will monitor him. You will listen to him. You block him. You finish, you block that number. Okay. No. I say if you finish, you block the number so I know what they call again. Let me call you. Where he is? Yes. Hello. So you want to ask question?
can you scroll down to number 33?
Number. Which one?
Number 33.
33.
Oh,
That's
sorry.
number 33 now.
Okay, my educational value is showing me blank files. What was I saying?
Check what you uncheck from that place. Big boy, you're disturbing us. So I said, I want me to carry you and come. Not carry you, come and give me. Are we through? Should I load?
I have to restart.
Okay.
No, we can continue. We can load.
Okay. So close, apply. So if you have closed, if you have applied, let me know. Recruitment project. So are we done? Mr. Sam, Mr. Michael, are we done?
I'm starting from the beginning, Mr. Dan.
Mr.
Hey,
Dan,
that means class is over because this is night. I have class.
No. Continue with the class. So I am almost through.
Class. I have class soon.
No, continue, Mr. Dan. Close the data and apply it now. Most of us are.
So I've closed and applied already. So I want to save my work first. So that I will not look for it tomorrow. Let me save it. Let me save. Maybe it's Friday and Saturday you put there.
Friday, Saturday, yeah.
Abby?
oh, we've not gone anywhere today. No?
You've not gone anywhere. You that join late. What we have even done is more than this one. This data visual analysis that we are doing now. This cleaning. We have looked at some areas. You understand? So you join late now. When did you join, sir? What were you doing when you joined, Mr. Michael? When did you join? That you joined 30 minutes ago. So I'm not mistaken, it's right 30 minutes ago. So please, first save your work. Save your work. So you know where we are.
What particular data is still coming out as blanco?
So what?
Yeah, the particular thing is still coming out as blank, even as
Oh
I
yeah,
just wanted.
share your screen. Let me use your own to correct for other people. Share your screen.
See my feet. Hold on. Ah, down. Can you see my screen?
Okay, hold on. Yeah, I can see it.
Where's Mr. Dan?
I can see your screen. Who is calling me?
You
I
went
can
to buy me, mommy.
close this one. Just
This
cancel it.
this
Cancel
one.
this Google Meet first. Close it. Close the Google Meet. No, no, no. Close it.
See, like this number 33. See the data is blank.
Which one? 33.
Yes.
Go back first. Go back first.
Go back to where?
Start from
Uncheck the blank now.
start from
Let
where
me
you
teach her.
you know there's blank. You not remove the blank now for that educational level. You not remove it now. Education level. You know there's
So
blank
I'm
there.
Yes,
supposed to uncheck the blank.
yes, you are
Yes,
supposed to
yes.
uncheck the blank. Uncheck
You're
it. Let's
supposed
see.
Sammy, I'm not asking you.
Oh yeah, okay.
Voila. Voila.
Now go to your transform. Don't go anywhere. I'm teaching you something. Go to transform.
Sam is the new instructor.
Oh yeah, data type. We put it back to test again. Click on data type. Test. Now go young way for this class.
Don't disturb my student to enjoy.
Sammy, me
I
that
think
is my church friend. I come and call you, Abby.
even I need to teach you now. You don't go say thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, do your experience. The experience here.
Sammy, bye bye. I'll do it. I'll do it without.
Voila. So let me go back and continue my work for this person.
So it was Mrs. Awa that drew us back now.
Yeah.
Sammy, next
Please,
month I will not call you again.
please don't forget to save your work so that you don't look for it next time. Save it. Save your work. As much you have not finished, save your work first. So I'll go back to I've saved already now. So no matter what I'm doing, I'm at save hand. So the next thing I want us to do is experience here. I want us to group the experience here. I want us to group it. This experience here.
How do we go back again?
Transform. So should I go on?
Yes, sir.
So let's group the experience here. We're working with the experience here now. We have grouped the we have grouped the age already. So the same process, custom, then add column, then custom.
Sir, one question, sir.
Um, the question I'm doing now is we're trying to group the experience
No,
here.
no, I mean I want to ask question.
Okay.
So why are we grouping the experience here?
Okay, for data analysis. No, if you look at the experience here now, look at it. Let me go
Yes,
back.
sir.
Just like age now, you have age from 20, 27. If I say you analyze it, put it in a chart, online chart, it's going to be too long. Yeah.
Oh,
So same thing with years. Look at it now. See, we have let me click on the drop down. You see, can you see from 0 to 15? It's more than 15 self to 15. So if I say you should put it in a chart, it's going to be too long, and so I have to group it.
okay, sir.
So let me continue now. So add column, then custom column. For those that can copy what we are doing and paste on the chat on the WhatsApp, you can do that because my WhatsApp is not working. So we're going to name this one experience groups. So experience group. So how do we group it? Using the same if statement. If experience here less than equals to, then 0 to 2, 0 to 2 to 2 years. So next, else if experience here is less than equals to 5, then 3 to 5 years. Then else if experience here so if you are not looking at me, look at my typing also. You're not looking at me, you're typing your own. So then less than equal to what? Equal to 10. Then what should you give this one? This one should be 6 to 10 years. 6 to 10 years. Else 10 plus years. So I'll paste it on the group. So you can check your message, for the code, you can check your message. So I'll drop it there.
Which group are you dropping in?
This Google Meet, you see message this thing there. Check.
Okay.
So you can see I've grouped it already. So the hiring decision. The hiring decision. Another column.
You want to group hiring decision also?
I want to replace, that hiring decision means like hired and not hired. So I want to explain it. So that hired and not hired will make more sense than 0 and 1.
Oh, okay. Just to replace that. Why? Okay.
We can replace it, but it's number now. That one is number. We can count how many people that are hired also. Can use that one to count and those that are not hired.
Oh, yeah.
So
Custom. Mr. Dan, you are too good.
hiring. Then if
can we call it hiring rates?
hiring status can be hiring status.
Or status, yes.
So Dan, I'm wondering why I can't see your screen. Is it from only my side?
You need to buy another laptop, bro.
You're not serious. Somebody say you're not serious. Give me go buy another laptop.
Okay, I'll buy another laptop because I don't PC pencils.
What is Sammy?
Mr. Adam, I would like to see this particular guy.
Sammy.
I beg, don't see me. I dare a bullet guy here. I beg.
Sammy.
Else. So else, you should return what? I will
Hired or fired.
I will give you your address. I did ready to give you your address.
Mr. Dan, you want to send me out?
Please, I agree. Please give him the address.
See people that hate me.
So we have hired and not hired.
Mrs. Chidera, are you taking note of all the step-by-step corrections you are doing? That is important too.
He's taking notes. He's just sending it on the group now.
Sammy. I thought Mr. Dan said we should join this class for you to be on the same page with me. Eh?
Yes, I am.
Yes, we also to be taking note also now.
No, you are the note taker, the secretary of the group.
Oh, God. Don't worry, I'll not cry now.
Are you done?
Oh, no, Mr. Dan, please, can you go back to your formula?
We are done.
Back to my formula. Yeah, it's my formula.
Simple formula, you don't know.
Sammy, it's tomorrow morning I'll deal with you. It's tomorrow morning.
Hello?
Tomorrow morning class, I'll deal with you.
Hello?
We'll meet in Python class.
Hello?
I missed the last Python class. Come and teach me, Biko.
Never. You will pay me.
My auntie.
My
sister in the Lord.
Never.
Yeah, daddy say tell her say he just tell her to say he get problems, something like that.
Why do we have to Mr. Dan in this? I need to delete one.
Hold on, let me call her. Say it's not picking.
Mr. Dan, your formula is not complete now.
Which one?
It's complete.
See it up here now. See it up here. Let me increase it so I see it. Let me paste to you. Which one do you say is not coming? The one I just did now?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me send it to you. Only you have to send that to, not Samuel.
Me where I don't get my own this thing correct. Yeah, I say you don't want to
see what I did. If if
Let me teach her. Let me teach.
I
Don't answer Sammy. Don't answer
if I
Sammy.
is equals one, if it's equals one, then in quotes hired,
Eh,
else in quotes not hired. That was it.
that's all. Okay.
But are you sure this is what this hiring decision means?
Mm.
Because we need to know the reason behind this 1 and 0.
Okay. I'm coming. Let me reply this man.
Hiring decision 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Jesus. I for just go do DevOps, JJ. I don't know say this data analyst add like this. I for just do my this thing, cyber security. Chai.
I try to respond to the question I'm supposed to do class now. So, even you hold on. I'm coming.
Person where with us. Fami is having his class.
Is the guy ready?
He's ready now. I don't tell Azina you hold on. He's part of this group, but he did not join this group class. So he saw me. So you know that I'm taking class now.
If you hold on.
So then we are done with this aspects.
You didn't answer my question.
What's your question? I didn't get your question. I was doing something there.
Yeah, I said the reason behind this yes or no. Are we sure it's
Yes.
because they are hired or they are not hired?
Which one? Which yes or no?
I mean 1 and 0.
1 and 0 is hired now. Hiring decision. One is hired.
Okay.
So we are done with it.
So then let me go off and come in again. So I
No
don't know why
problem.
it's
Oh, hold on. Let me stop sharing and share back. Maybe that will solve your problem.
okay. Let's try that first.
Hold on first. Let's say you know my guy.
Family
I don't
that
want
caused it.
go.
Family that
I don't
did
want
not
Oh,
go.
see
sorry, my brother.
I don't want go jail.
I can share my screen for you people if you want.
Wait till they that screen. This boy.
Oh yeah, check. Oh yeah, check. Check.
No, you can't see.
At all.
You
You
cannot
need
see.
to
Let me just
format
go
your
off. Let
system
me
and
go off
come back.
and come back. Yeah.
Format system care. Don't mind him. Oh.
I go
Don't
like to
have
this
part your
guy.
system. Don't have part your system. Oh. I don't need them. So we are done with this part. We're done with the cleaning aspect.
Mr. Dan, go and attend to your student. Mrs. Chidera will continue with us.
which can
Close
Sammy
and apply.
avoid me this evening.
Close and apply.
So,
I've learned something today.
Tell me thank you.
What do you do?
So come back to your table
Make
view.
yourself you send what you send to me.
Your model view. Come to your model view. Your model view. Then let's create a new table. Let's create a new table. So the table name, we're going to name it recruitment measures. So this is the table. Then we'll be writing our measures inside the table.
Now,
so the measures, the first one, total candidates. Let me do it so that I can increase this stuff. Hold on. Let me do it from this interface here. So you'll be able to see it well. New measure. Is it better like this?
Yes, so Sammy, can you see it?
Of course I can. Thank you.
If you need glasses, you can send him one. Yes. I don't call name. I don't know that you know vessel.
No, I know.
So we use the count rows. Count rows, then recruitments. So this will give us the number of I want to put it inside this get out from here. New major. We now already have it. Wait. That candidate. No from new major. So add another one, another measure.
Wait, Mr. Dan, wait. Is that the first new measure?
I can hear you.
Please go back to the formula.
I should go back to the formula.
Yeah, Sammy was distracting me.
Hey. Yeah.
Don't tell you say the distractor. Say now.
It's in shock me.
Controls, recruitment. Okay. Wait, Mr. Dan, I don't have any column that says recruitment, so mine is recruitment by data.
That is your own. Is table the data set now the table name, the table you're working with. The
You
data
can rename your own table now.
No less Sammy they use this time for this class. So.
Sammy, the next class I will not call you.
What did I do? You're asking questions, then I'm teaching you. You should say thank you, sir.
You're distracting now. I don't like it.
How am I distracted? Mr. Dan, you are supporting women.
That woman born me now. Not the woman born me. Are you born me? Who do you want me to support before?
In fact, Mr. List all the measures for me. I want to continue. I don't want to wait for you.
Total hired. Total number of people are hired. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Then hiring percentage. Then total rejected.
Okay.
Those are the ones you're doing. Madam, are you done?
Yes, so I'm waiting for Sammy.
Thank you. Let's go on. Sammy says you should not wait for you. So let's go. Total hired. Sammy, how do you do your total hired?
Count rows now.
Calculate.
Okay, calculate. Sorry.
Calculate, count rows. You try it now. See, no, try. Calculate, count rows. Then equipment. Close bracket, then comma. Get out of this space. Then equipment again. Then hiring decision equals 1. So this will give you the total. Don't forget, we all must have the same number, same count. For candidates, 1K. Is that what you got for candidates? Then hiring, 464 hired. Are you done with the hired?
Yes, sir.
Madam, what about you?
Better than me? Yes.
Then total rejected. People will not get job. When they not give the job. Total rejected.
Hold on. So is it still the same formula? Calculate. The
So
same.
total rejected. Yeah, total rejected. We're going to do something for you to work. We're going to let me go back. First, write the formula first. Before I
I'm
do
not the formula, Mr. Dan.
Oh yeah. Who can tell me why it's giving us the same number with total number of candidates? Who can tell me?
Okay, go on. Are we supposed to press enter for the door? You want to do something else?
I want to. You can see it's showing 1K. 1K
Yeah.
rejected. Why 1K is the number of candidates? So what do you think is the cost? I said that. I told us that in the.
Because it's in text.
Thank you. It's number 0, not text. It's number.
Okay, number 0, not text.
0. You cannot sum 0 now. I know I told you. But you're asking me that question before. So let's go and work on it. So that we can be able to calculate rejected. So let's see. Transform. Let's confirm if it's correct or not. So add custom column. Now that's it again. So this time around, hiring status equals if hiring status equals not hired, then 1, else 0. So I'm going to convert it to, I will not give you the column a name. So What should be the name of the column?
Oh, no.
Rejected.
Rejected.
So let's go back now. Am I fast?
Wait. What did you? Which formula did you use? You just
If
hiring status is equals to not hired.
equals not hired, then equals 1. Then 1. Else 0. Finish now. So Sam is the assistant of this class.
But it's still not going to be in the same. Let me see.
So
Data type.
Let's correct this one now. Have you convert your own to number? Convert it to number.
Data type, Abi.
Yes, convert it to number.
Whole number.
To whole number, yes. Otherwise, you do not see it. But if you did not convert it to whole number, if you use you can still count 1, but convert it to whole number, it will be a safer side. Convert it to the rejected though. Convert the rejected to whole number.
Then can we close and apply?
Close and apply, yes. So what we are going to use, the column we are going to
use. We just switch it.
Yeah, it's just
we switch the yes to higher to 0. We not switch the not higher to 1.
Your brain did there.
Oh.
So here now 1, then I'm going to change this to rejected. Then let's see if it's still correct. We will know. So total rejected is still showing 1K. That means that thing is correct.
So we can leave the first one.
You can anyone you like. So it's showing 1K. Then what you need to do for me now is to remove this formatting. You know, it's showing as thousands. You know how to do it.
Why is it still showing 1K?
Remove the formatting now. Remove the format. So call out value. Let's see where we can take it out.
You take out what we said then.
You know, its value is showing 1K.
Yes.
So I have to remove it from that. Say rejected. So this is it. I have to check no. So now look at it.
Wait, what did you remove?
I changed it to no. Okay.
But it's still showing 1034 more than the.
Yes. Then check the total candidates now. Check the total candidate. Change the total candidate to the same thing. The same thing you just did now. Do for total candidates. Find the tissue now.
Sam, you hope you are learning.
I'm lost though.
Find yourself back. So it's correct now. See, this is the total candidates. This is the rejected, and this is the hired. So plus.
Why do you have to come all the way to this place then?
You know, it's showing like automatically my own. I don't know how your own is showing. My own is showing 1K. You understand?
Mine is showing 1K now.
So you have to remove it from that 1K. That 1K, see, you have different areas you can categorize your data as. See, your values as. If you scroll down now, if you look at my screen, if I scroll down, I have display units, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, custom.
Hey. Well, I mean, how did not show you that aspect too?
Look for it. Just take your time.
No, I have to go back from the beginning. I don't have to come to this place.
Yeah, when you change the time, you just change this thing from all to the name.
I'm not even seeing the all.
Under your cards, after call out, sorry. You see it there.
Mr. Mike, Alpha.
I've done it.
Yeah, I'm very well with you. I did with you, boss.
It's not showing you now. It's not showing you.
Okay, next.
Next quoi?
I mean, for all the math you're making towards me, beg me and I'll show you.
Apply settings to.
Go to your visualization. Click
I
on the one you change.
I'm on visuals now.
Share your screen.
it's
I'm on visuals first.
And go to the
divide
second one. Click on the one you want to go to. Then click on the format
total
your
hired divide
Yes, add. Apply settings to
candidates.
total rejected.
Then
exactly. Then scroll down. You see display. Change it to none. That's all.
rates.
Display. Why the fuck is display here?
Scroll down. Sam, you can't throw your laptop away. You can't buy a new one.
I swear I need to buy. I need to fly. I need to buy.
Mr. Dan,
Yes, ma'am.
the new formula you did, why is it showing double dash?
I want to convert that column. This total hired.
To what?
This total hired. So
Yeah.
I'm coming 1 minute.
We cannot move on in this class, so when I've not gotten mine.
Where are you? Where are you currently?
I'm still stuck in this total rejected, total whatever. Okay, moving on. I'm sharing my screen, guys.
That means class has finished now. Just class
That
don't,
means a troublemaker.
class don't
I
finish.
don't know.
Oh yeah,
I'm
somebody
sharing
should
my
assisting. Somebody should
Can you see my screen?
Samuel.
Yes, Sam, is this your screen? If it's yours, yes.
Which screen is this? What is it? What is this screen showing?
Sam, you go to your Power BI. It's showing picture in picture. A picture in picture.
Oh, okay.
Share your entire screen and go to Power BI, Sammy.
The problem is because yeah, good.
That's where you are now. Go to call out.
Call out.
Go up. Call out.
This is call out.
Go up. Scroll up.
This is call out.
Uncheck that all. Change it to click on that all. The drop down. Change it to total rejected. Scroll down.
Down. Okay. To where?
Your whole display has disappeared. Go to this.
Me, I'm using the latest version. You're saying my own display has disappeared.
Wahala dey.
Go to value.
I
Go
don't
to
finish the
value.
project. By the time you finish, I don't finish the project.
Value. Yes, Abi is general.
Let me go to visual.
I'm on visual now.
Where's your call out?
This is. Are you not seeing the call out too? This is call out.
Go back up first. Go back up.
See call out here. See call out here.
Osami, I need to push up and down like this.
Can you imagine? Oh me, oh.
I don't understand what is on. Values now. See values there.
Hey, God,
Hold
that
down. You're checking my display unit now. Exactly, none. Go back. Don't exit it though. Just go and click on the other one. The one for the total candidates. Don't exit that screen. No. Go back to total candidates.
Okay. And then
Hello, ma.
total values.
Paste that into for them on the group. That's what I send on the chat.
Total candidates. Display units.
None.
1,498. Oh, that's good. Good.
Mr. Mike, how far?
Good girl.
Mr. Mike.
Mr. Dano. How you be now?
How far?
I did.
Nice,
Too
nice,
much.
nice, nice, nice.
I just,
But we don't need to go to all these things now. That's what I'm saying.
But you've done it now. Thank you. When you're editing, you do it.
We don't need to. We don't go to all this hassle at all.
Mr. Daniel,
Yes.
did you record this section?
Sure, sure. Everything I've recorded.
All out for my customers.
Okay. Because I would have to sign out now. I'm outside the house.
I'm
Let's get
done,
home.
sir. I'm done for today.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so
Tomorrow.
much. It's till tomorrow, Abby.
Yeah, we'll